Let's talk about the latest launched Honor smartphone 200 Lite with unique design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, with 6.7-inch Full HD Plus punch hole cutout magic capsule display, resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, approximately 89.9% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9. Aspect ratio, approximately 394 ppi pixel density, 60 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel wide-angle camera, along with 5 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 50 megapixel wide-angle front camera with 2D facial recognition support, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system. Based on exclusive version of Magic OS 8 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz dual-core Cortex A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6080 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB extended RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage. No micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.1 by 74.55 by 6.78 millimeters, and it weighs around 166 grams, and the color options cyan lake, midnight black, starry blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 4500 mAh battery, with 35-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with 2D face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor 200 Lite has been priced for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at €330, 98,999 Pakistani rupees, and 29,999 Indian rupees, and around $354. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Honor 200 Lite smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.